dear friends and comrades. They have brought anti-farmer laws in the parliament. All peasant organizations, all farmers organizations are opposing all over the country. Since the independence of our country, this is the biggest, the most and the strongest agitation of farmers in the independent India. Lakhs of people, they have surrounded the national capital city, Delhi, New Delhi, and they are waiting for more than 70 days. It continues, still it continues. There was 12 rounds of talks with ministers of this government, former minister and other ministers, between these farmers organizations and the ministries. There was 12 rounds of talks held. The people, the farmers leaders, the farmers organizations, the farmers, the agitating farmers, they are demanding cancellation or repeal of anti-farmer laws. Just simple thing. But this government, they again and again repeatedly they are saying they are singing the same song for several times. Oh, this is good for farmers. If it is good for farmers, why this much of farmers are on the streets, on the roads? They are fighting in the chilling winter. They are fighting. Even in the rainy season, they were soaking in the rain and they braving the chilling winter. They are on the roads. Why the farmers are fighting or agitating against these formulas if it is good for farmers? This Narendra Modi and company again and again repeatedly they are saying this is good for farmers. It is not at all true. It is false propaganda. It is, they are confusing, they want to confuse the people. This is fully pro-corporate. They are saying you can take your produce, agricultural produce, to anywhere of this country, and so you can get more price, that is more price, and you can get more profit. They are saying. Let us think over it. One thing, in India is a basically agrarian country. Around 70% are belonging to peasant community, or they are related to peasantry or agriculture. In this population, 86% of the farmers are having less than 5 acres in this country. That means they are small farmers, less than 5 acres land they are having. Can you imagine, with a small farmer with less than 5 acre of land, if he produce some agriculture, if he is cultivating and producing the agricultural produce, can they take from Hyderabad to Delhi? Can they take by lorries or by load, by train? Is it possible? One ordinary farmer. They are telling we are lifting all the bans for transport of the agricultural produce. Actually, it is helping to the corporate companies because they are purchasing the agricultural produce from the farmers, and they are taking from Hyderabad or from Bangalore to Kolkata or Mumbai. They can take wherever they want. But ordinary farmer cannot take their produce to anywhere of this country because it is not practicable. It is not practical. They are cheating. Again and again they are cheating. They are telling that the name of that agricultural 3 laws. What are the laws? That Essential Commodity Amendment Act. That act, they are removing all cereals and all important, that edible oils, everything they are removing from the essential commodities. That means what? The traders that they can store like anything, and they can hoarding the stock, and there in the market the price of the essential commodity will go up, and ordinary people cannot purchase, and then after rising up of the price, these traders will sell. They can hoard all this, they can put stock all this agricultural produce, but it is anti-people, anti-common people, because the price will rise. That if the price is rising, the benefit of the price rise will not go to the farmer, it will go to the traders, it will go to the corporates. So it is pro-corporate, anti-farmer, anti-common people, this act. And another two acts, they are that Price Assurance Act, like there are the names of this act, it is a poetic, but practically it is totally against farmers. That is why the farmers are in agitative mood, and they are fighting against these laws, and they understand the tricky politics of this new economic political these people. They want to repeal their farmers. This is the demands of the farmers are justified. All the three laws should be repealed. If the government is again and again telling, oh, it is good for farmer, then you put on hold for 5 years or 10 years, you just just repeal, and if the farmers understand, and then asking, oh, we want that new farmers law, then you bring. What is the problem to you? If they are not understanding properly, you explain, you go to the people, after accepting, then you bring. But it is not at all true. So this government is totally against farmers. The farmers are agitating, and every section of the society, all youth and students and all workers should unitedly join hands with the farmers, and we should fight together, and we should defeat these pro-corporate economic policies pursued by the BJP Narendra Modi RSS controlled central government. This is our demand. We will fight till our goal is reached, till the laws are repealed. Thank you, comrades.